Lemon udon is a cold noodle dish featuring thinly sliced lemons over chewy udon in the soup. The broth is light and refreshing, just tangy enough to cut through the summer heat, yet savory enough to leave you fully satisfied. First, we make the soup. Prepare the dashi broth using katsuobushi bonito flakes. Simmer for a few minutes and strain. And season with salt, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. Then bring to a boil for a couple of minutes, remove from heat and let it cool. Thinly slice the lemons and add them to the soup. It's fine to add them while the soup is still warm. Refrigerate until fully chilled. Chop the green onions finely and set aside. Just before serving, cook the udon noodles according to the package instructions. We highly recommend the frozen udon for the chewy texture. Drain and rinse under cold running water, then chilled further with ice if you like. Place the cold noodles in a large bowl, pour the chilled soup over them, and top with lemon slices and green onions. Lemon udon is light, refreshing, and satisfying. If you're looking for something that actually makes you want to eat on a brutal summer day, this is it. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。